Welcome back. So another thing we kind of want to do is, as soon as we press the save and we actually save the user, we kind of want to reset the form, right? And right now that's not happening. So what we'll do is we'll jump inside our subscribe right here and we'll just remove the log because that seemed to work perfectly. So instead what I want to do is I want to add a method right here so I can start doing something. And yes, thanks for the hint, Lint. Of course I need to put that curly bracket up there. And in here what I want to do is I kind of just want to reset the form. So you can do this dot customer group dot reset. That's kind of how we reset the form. And right now I'm not going to put in any values because I just want it to be cleaned as soon as I've actually created this customer. So let's add a new guy here. Let's add Ole Johnson. I'm really bad with names, so it's invalid because Ole actually has too few characters. So let's call him Oled instead of that and do a save. So there we go. Now it should actually be created because notice that it was just reset the form. Let's try and scroll to the bottom and here's Oled Johnson. And now I just noticed a problem here, right? Because what about the people with less than 4 characters in their names? So let's go into our code again and just look at our validators here. Now we're going to make the minimum length validator into actually only having, should it be 2? Yeah, let's say 2 for now. So you should have a name with 2. And let's also add a validator to the last name and with the same information right here. So we're going to kind of do exactly the same for the last name. Also, we're only going to allow it if you at least put in a length of 2. So there we go. Now we kind of have validation up and running, and we can even actually now when we do this, we can reset the form. Let's just make one more guy to show this. John Jackson. And we do the save, the form is valid, right? We do the save, and here we go, John Jackson is created, the form is reset. Sweet. I want to do one more thing, and that's kind of get an information message popping up at the same time. See you in the next lesson where we'll make that happen.